Good morning. This is Corey. Got another day of trading results here, and it was a really nice day. This trading system worked out well. Once again, it worked a little bit better than I did. I'm trying to keep up with this system. If I traded as well as the system provided trades, I'd be doing great. I guess that's always going to be the story, though. So. First trade was a long trade. This is about 4:44 in the morning, something like that. Price was moving down. I was just coming into the desk and getting ready to trade in this period. Over the next few minutes, price came down. MACD was cutting. Here's my water line. This is the zero line. This line that I've put in here. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Let's see here. So this is the water line. It's the zero line on the MACD. MACD was coming down, beginning to flatten out its slope a little bit, which is common when price is going to retrace and continue in a given direction. So price, I was looking for a long trade here. Price was coming in. It looked like it was probably likely to bounce off of the Kumo. This is the Ichimoku Kumo, or cloud. And I got long about here, added a second unit here, second position here. They were the same size. It went long, and this position was merged, so it was a combined total of 19.2 pips at this point. I closed half of it, so I closed one unit at this point. Watched for price to bounce off of the 5 EMA. Watch how price did use the 5 EMA on the way up, by the way, as support. And I wanted to see if price would just bounce off and continue going long. It didn't. It closed below the 5 EMA, and I got out of it as soon as it pierced the 13 EMA. Second trade was a short trade, losing trade. Really should not have taken this trade. It was a retracement play back into the 62, back into the cloud. But really, I think I was just being over anxious. Third trade was a long trade. Now this one I stand by. It was a loser, but I stand by this one. It was a 8-pip loser. Price came down. Looked like it was going to, after I had lost this trade, it looked like it was going to break back through and continue on long. That ended up being a loser as well. Then the price broke down through the bottom of the Kumo. I didn't take this trade because I don't like to take a trade back into this 372 or the 62 EMA on the 3-minute chart. Typically, if there's more space, maybe 20 pips, I'll take a trade back toward the 3 minutes 62. But in this case, I stayed out of that one. It could have produced a little bit, but when price began to move back up, and it looked like it was going to break back upward through it's moving away from this big, to me this is a real strong level of support, this 372 EMA on the 30-second chart. I saw the MACD was flattening out again. Price was looking like it was going to break through the top of the 62. I went ahead and got long here, and price really took off, and the only bummer was I didn't add a second position in here somewhere. So this is a single position that I took half off here, took the other half off here because I just didn't want to, I just kind of started calculating where I was on the morning. I was up about 40 pips at this point, and about 5.3% on the account, and I decided to get out and to be done. So that's my morning's trades. I'll try to post another video here in a little bit. Concerning some different areas. I want to post a video on position sizing, trade management, how to manage these trades once they're in profit, and the entry rules. A little bit more specific on the entry rules. Thanks for watching. Have a really good morning.